Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I will talk about most beautiful, most trendy, most likely women crochet handbag designs, class designs, beautiful ideas, new designs, new ideas. So friends, how are you? I'm fine. I hope you shall enjoying the best condition of health. I am back again with the most stylish, most demanding collection of beautiful and trendy women crochet handbag designs. Stylish designer ideas you can see in this my video. Every design is different, beautiful and trendy. Most beautiful, most trendy designs and ideas. Those who love such type of crochet handbags, you can easily make these very beautiful crochet handbags if you know crochet work. Easy to make, easy to wash, beautiful and trendy stylish handbag designs decorated with flowers, beaded stones, by patterns, ribbon ideas. Most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. If you want to buy these very beautiful crochet handbag designs, then I will tell you some websites name like AliExpress, eviva.com, etsy.com and Amazon. Or visit your market or shopping mall for buying these very beautiful crochet handbags. New and trendy designing ideas for stylish ladies you can see in this my video. You can easily carry, you can easily move with beautiful and trendy crochet handbag designs. When you go in the birthday party, wedding party, most beautiful, most trendy designing ideas you can see in this my video. You can visit my channel and see more collection about crochet, about women fashion, about baby fashion, about home accessories you can see also. Please friends, subscribe my channel and not forget to press the bell icon. By pressing the bell icon you will get all the notifications of my channel and my latest uploading videos. In this way you never miss my video in my collection. Friends, I always try to bring useful videos and useful content for you, so please don't forget to like my video and don't forget to share my video, and also give the feedback in the comment section about my collection. How was the video and how was the designs of beautiful and trendy crochet handbags? So friends, thanks for watching. See you again. Allah Hafiz.